Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla has called for reinvigorating agricultural activities to bolster the state's economy. He was speaking at the inauguration of three-day Agri-Vision Agri-Youth Parliament 2026 on the theme Futuristic Agriculture for Northeast Bharat, Sustainability, Innovations and Opportunities at the auditorium of College of Agriculture. The event, being organized by Central Agricultural University, KAU Imphal, was also attended by KAU Imphal Vice Chancellor Dr. Anupam Mishra, Assam Agricultural University, Jorhat Vice Chancellor Dr. Dipyoti Rajkhowa, Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad National Secretary Kamlesh Singh, and Agri-Vision National Convener Manish Faten. Speaking further, the governor maintained that it is crucial for the northeastern states to strengthen agricultural activities for the future, while noting that the region lacks appropriate market for selling their products. He raised concern that farmers in Northeast region have been facing immense hardships despite their pivotal role in the economic sector due to consistently low income levels. Ajay Kumar Bhalla noted that the GDP of Northeast region has been relatively low compared to the rest of the country. He also underlined the urgent need for revamping infrastructural shortages and lack of market facilities to reinvigorate the Northeast's agricultural sector, while noting that the region has plenty of rich flora and fauna. The governor also stated that GI tagged Manipur's black rice has high demand throughout the world.
Agriculture remains the backbone of our economy, supporting the livelihoods of majority of our population, yet its contribution to GDP remains relatively modest. This imbalance presents a critical opportunity, especially for regions like Northeast, where agriculture is not just an occupation, but it's a way of life. The Northeastern region is richly endowed with natural resources, fertile land, and extraordinary biodiversity. However, we must also recognize structural challenges that persist in this region: the fragmented land holdings, limited infrastructure, inadequate market linkages, and the growing pressure of climate variability. And yet, with these challenges lies immense strength.